You're eating snow? What does the snow taste like, John?
Strawberries.
It tastes like strawberries? What did that one taste like, John?
What is it?
Hmm?
Cuba.
Tastes like peanut butter?
Yes.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh.
Come on. What does that piece taste like?
Macaroni.
What does it taste like? Peanut butter and jelly. It looks good. What does that one taste like?
Peanut.
Just peanut butter? No jelly?
Peanut.
Yum, yum. Can I try some?
Try some.
Yeah, I tried some. Thank you. You know what it tastes like? Meatballs.
Meatballs.
What does that one taste like?
Soap.
Salt?
Soap. Soap.
Soap?
Like water.
Tastes like water.
Yeah.